to the next question, that is sixth question from the textbook. This is the sixth question from the textbook. Draw a tackle to lift the load by applying a force in downward direction. Mark in the diagram the direction of load and the effort. So we must have to mark the direction of load and effort. Before we mark direction of load and effort, we have to draw the tackle as well as we have to draw the string through these all pulleys. So we have to always start with the first pulley in a block where we are applying effort in the downward direction. So this string will move to the first pulley in the tackle. Then the string goes back again to the second pulley in the block. Then the second pulley in the tackle. Then the third pulley in the block, and then attached back to the tackle. So in this diagram you can see this load is supported by one string, second string, third string here, fourth string here, and fifth string here. So total 5 strings are supporting this load. Then mark in the diagram the direction of load and effort. Direction of effort I have marked here. The load will act in downward direction. Then B question, if the load is raised by 1 meter, through what distance will the effort move, is the B question. A question we have completed. So now B question, if the load is raised by 1 meter, so distance travelled by load is equal to 1 meter they have given. We must have to find out what is the distance travelled by effort. Distance travelled by effort is equal to question mark. So to calculate the distance travelled by effort, we should know what is velocity ratio. So the velocity ratio of the block and tackle system containing 5 pulleys is equal to 5x divided by x. So they cancel because there are 5 pulleys. So velocity ratio is 5, and we know the velocity ratio formula as distance travelled by effort to distance travelled by load, that is equal to 5. Distance travelled by effort we have to find, divided by distance travelled by load is 1 meter they have given, that is equal to 5. So distance travelled by effort will be equal to 5 into 1, that is 5 meters. So this is a solution for the B question. Then C question, state the number of strands of tackle supporting the load. How many strands are supporting the load? How many strands are supporting the load? You can see 1, 2, here 1. You can see here there is 1 strand here, second one, third one, fourth, and 5 strands are supporting the load. So the C answer is 5 strands are supporting the load. Then D question they have asked, what is the mechanical advantage? As here there are 5 pulleys and they have not mentioned any friction in the pulleys. So the mechanical advantage also will be equal to 5. So this is the mechanical advantage of this pulley system.